Hello YouTube, Jeremy Martin 72 here, and I'm going to do an unboxing on the HP DeskJet 2652. This thing is AirPrint, Android, Windows, and Google Cloud Print 2.0 ready. Now they're getting rid of Cloud Print. It's old and it's time for it to go, but if you're looking for something that has Cloud Print on it, specifically for it, you want to get the HP DeskJet 2652. Energy Star, SmartWay Transport Partner, Eco Solutions. There's all your Wi-Fi certified, high-speed USB, and of course AirPrint. And yes, it is wireless, but I'm going to probably hook it up wired. Include this is it has ink in it, and these are replacement cartridges. Newer generation HP cartridges. And here's your minimum requirements. Windows 10, Windows 7 for business, Windows 8. Your iOS, Sierra, El Capitan, Yosemite, Windows Vista, Windows XP 32-bit. Also mobile devices with iOS and Android. So if you have a Chromebook and it works with Android apps, then it should work regardless. USB cable not included, so I had to buy one special. And I went on HP support before I bought this, and basically, if you have a Chromebook, it says that in HP support, it says that all of their newest, latest printers should all work with Chromebook. So, all right. Just bear with me here. I'm single-handed. That's my rip snort. CRKT rip snort. I use this when I go into the manholes and I need to strip high voltage cable. Alright, let's close this sucker up. Alright, we got your instructions right here. Done in print for people who are illiterate. Right, and you do have App Store, iOS App Store, and Android App Store. All right, and you know, some offers here. Well, of course, HP is going to put some advertisements in it. What is this? This is the owner's manual. Tells you what all the buttons do. Let's see. Power, control panel, and that would be also a display. It looks like an LED. Ink alert, cancel. That's always nice to have an X button. You can cancel everything. Resume, wireless, I for information, and one button to switch back and forth from color copy to black and white or grayscale, whatever you prefer to call it. Walks through all of the wireless setup right here. And I'm going to be doing another video of hooking it up. Right now, I'm just doing the unboxing. And that looks like, I do believe that's French. And anyways, they give you all that paperwork. Let's see, more stuff. It says here, ink cartridge. All your information on your ink cartridge. In French and looks like also Espanol. They come with 2 sealed to retain the flavor and freshness of 2 ink pouches. HP Instant Ink Ready 65. Yep. All right, and then it comes with power cord, and that looks like universal right there. Get rid of that. And give me 1 second here. Come on out. Come on out. All right. This is the bottom of it. And it does come wrapped in shrink wrap plastic. There you go. Power, LED display, ink warning, and this is the X is emergency stop, and this is resume. This is your wireless. This is your information. This is your color option, and this is your grayscale option. Yes, Hewlett Packard. All right. Very nice. And there's your power, and there's your universal printer cord for the whatever you want to call it, printer USB, old school USB, whatever you want to call it. Everything looks kosher in there. Mostly plastic. It's almost completely plastic, which is fine by me. That's your looks like for your ink cartridges go in there. All right, that was the unboxing of the HP DeskJet 2652 print, scan, and copy. All right, my brothers and sisters, Google on.